Happy December, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl Samantha. Help me unpack this Christmas decoration. They bought it at Fontana. And these decors are amazing. They look pretty. Yes, ready for the Christmas vibes. If you're a Christmas person, I think this video would be fantastic for you. Or if you're a person that loves to shop at Fontana, big up shop Fontana. Yeah, you can purchase these there. So here we have some head band with the like Christmas tree hat thing. Yeah, looking all that nice. This little tree is little and tiny, but it's nice for the office, just to decorate the office. And listen, I love Christmas. When it comes down to Christmas vibes and jingle bells. Yeah, my type of thing. That right. So here we have some. This look like what you call it? Snow mint. Yeah, right. This can put on your desk. You have a Christmas hat. Look good. Yes, it's not for everybody. Let me tell you. If you have a head we can't hold under the hat, yeah, tell you, it's for small, like literally small. You know, head. You're right. So if anyway, guys, so look at the amount of decorations you have. Reindeer, headband thingy where you can put on. You have a little tree. You have, there's so much things right here that they're just amazing. Me, I had to try basically everything because I was just all up in everything. I had to try this. I had to see which one fit me because you know, girl, you have round face and girl want to look good while in the office and feel very good. Me, I'm be here like talking to my coworkers through me now and them in the video right now because you know some people say them not watching the video. But anyways, anyways, I love this tree. Even though I never wanted to go under the front, but I wanted it at my desk, but I never get it at my desk. But anyway, right, girl, just but I love these. I love these so much. They're so nice. Yeah, I love these. They're so nice. Big up to the person who bought them, and girl, offer just decorate the place and make the office look pretty and look nice. Yeah, cause girl love Christmas. And when it come on to Christmas time, but sorry, I never see the Christmas tree now. God no. God, no. I really need to do a video on the Christmas tree. Alright, so guess what? I'm going to make another video on the Christmas tree, show you all how the Christmas tree nice. Yeah. Everybody was like, what's your everything? She put it on everything. But anyway, I love Christmas. What she go with herself? Yeah, that's me. That's me. But anyway, I love Christmas and I hope you love Christmas as much as I do. As my show instead of Fontana, people who love Fontana, yes, Fontana, we get them Fontana. So the most of the time we just pretty up the office, make the office look nice, and this little something here I really love it. It is so tiny and I had to put it right at my desk because even the Merry Christmas, wait there, I immediately put the Merry Christmas there. Wait there. Did I put a Merry Christmas on my desk? No, I put it. Everybody have forget, you know, a little decoration. I made the decoration them look sweet. Right, guys? So, if you're a person that loves Christmas as much as I do, even though if you ever follow Christmas, money done.